Hello ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? So as I promised you, this is the final and third episode of the build. So in this episode I'm just gonna give you a riding experience, how it feels to ride this custom built Duke 200 with all hyped up in it. Well, for starters, it has a custom handlebar, a orange one, and we got on levers, and we got what do you call this, a master cylinder cap and an easy pull clutch. We can use only one or two finger with it. It has got an crash gauge from KTM's, and it's a pretty smooth bike. And I here have got also what do you call this, visor. It looks like a crown. So anyways, let's get on with the ride. Starts up very smoothly. The idling is also perfect. Cool, let's ride. Whoa, this feels incredible. There is power. Oh, okay, calm down. I'm in no mood, I'm in no hurry bike, I'm in no hurry. I'm just gonna take you to the main road. We'll see what you're made up of. What is your secret in the power?
A few moments later.
Here we go, let's bring it on. Now I'm entering to the main road. We'll see what this baby is capable of. Yep, she is capable of something. Let's hit it. To be honest, to tell you guys, this feels a very different than the regular Duke 200s. The handling, the performance, the initial torque. I'm at first gear. Let me show you. I'm in, okay, third gear. Look how this thing pulls away. Fourth gear. My God, what do you know? This 200 can seriously give a competition to any Indian sports bike. I probably am the most aggressive rider on this bike right now. My God, this is something else. Not to mention the brakes are very sharp. The brakes are a little bit special because we have installed a Dominar 400 disc brakes. The disc plates, only the disc plate, not the caliper and the pads. The disc plates is working phenomenal. Look at this torque. The torque is amazing. Front brakes are so super. I don't even feel hesitated to ride this. I am so confident to ride this. I can relay my life to it. gotta be kidding me. This thing is one serious machine. Let me take a U-turn. Shit, dude. Let me check out the initial power. How much does it put up? Okay, the bike is at first gear. I see no traffic. Okay, let's hit it. Okay, this bike wants to pop a wheelie. Okay, that's pretty quick into third gear. Man, she is crazy. Well guys, I hope you like this. If you guys can notice, the exhaust sound is a bit different than a regular 200 because there is a slight modification on the stock exhaust. The downshift, that's what I like to test on every bike. Let's see how it takes the corner. Surprisingly impressive. I'm so flattered guys, this bike, I'm really flattered. I'm not sure if I'm riding a Duke 200 or a Duke 390. Well, see the nimble, it's so nimble. The nimblicity is so good in this bike. I don't even feel anything, see? It's so good. You gotta believe me, this thing can do even off-roading if you try to do an off-roading on this thing. Shoot, dude! You have something incredible in your hands, and this is what? You got to be kidding me. This is the best Duke 200 I've ever ridden. Seriously guys. With this said, I'm ending the episode. I hope you guys like it. So everything what we did to the bike, the performance stuff, the labor work, you can check it on my second and first episode. Seriously, this is something else. When you put into gear and release the first clutch, then that is when you get to know the bike's power.